Okay, I'm trying out my poppables, and this is me filling it with blueberries, powders, strawberries. I've been having it on the little charger here. So let's see if it works. Maybe I have it a little too full. There it is. Lots of blueberries, strawberries, bananas, some super green, some looks like it's working real good. So I don't know if that means that it's done. Maybe it is. Oh, I put some yogurt in here as well. So let's stop it. Let's check it out. Let's see. Let's see. Has a good consistency. All right, hold on. Let me put the phone down. So good. So far, so good. All right. I think it's great for people who travel on the road like me.
So we have a fully blended shake already. Won't stay on. Constantly keeps cutting off. It's completely blended already. And the light's just gonna stay red for a few minutes. Also, the container is not full. And the shake's already completely blended. Completely.
Wow, nice.
It's liquid.
I guess this is ours.
We're gonna give it another go.
Let's take
Flat surface, basically.
Kate and Channing.
Still won't stay on. It's garbage. It's trash. I've gotten other blenders off Amazon that work a lot better and were also cheaper. Don't even waste your money.